Kia ora, welcome to my happy place. If you like today's video, please give me a thumbs up, leave a comment so I know that you've been, don't be shy, and please enjoy. Right, it's pick 10 time again. I've added a new light to my lighting because I was told in one of my recent videos that my videos were a bit too dark, so I'm hoping this is going to help without adding too much shadow. So I've gessoed my page and I've given these a big twist around. We'll just do a bit more and we will start. Right, add buttons. Now how many times does this add buttons come up? Right, some big buttons. And I've got some tiny, tiny wee buttons. Oh, excuse me. I'm feeling much better. Thank goodness. Right. Some little. What's this one? This one's got an owl on it. This one here. Is that a button? No, I don't think it is. It's a button. And this one here is a button. So I think we'll use them. Right, I'll just put these back away before I start because otherwise they'll end up everywhere. Right, now what are we going to glue them with? I'll just open this up. Right, now what are we going to do? I'm not sure about this, but let's see if I can get our glue to come down. Right, we'll put one there. And one here. That's a very interesting one. I'm going to turn it around so our owl is facing the right way. I think we'll put that one away and just use this one. 3 totally different buttons. This one has got handmade on it. And I think they all came in Happy Mail. I'm pretty sure about that because I don't think I bought them. Right, now number 2. Glue down wool string or ribbon. I'll be back. Right, I found some big fat rick-rack here. So I think we're going to use this. It's a purpley pink colour. So I think we're going to glue some bits in between our. I think that's a good idea. Just connect our. Open it. I shut it to open it again. Right, put that one there. And hopefully this will just go in there, and I think that I cut it slightly short. Wouldn't that just look nice? But never mind, that'll do. This one here is a bit longer. It's pretty ratty type rick-rack here. I think we'll just cut down to a nicer piece. Right, get you there. Get you there. And we'll put you glue in there. Oops. Right. Right. Might as well go right around since I've started. Might as well make a border of it. Bit strange starting with the border first, but it is what it is. Alright, glue this down here. Alright, see if I can hook this one out. Looks like it's glued under. That's alright. Quite liking that. Right, up here we go. See if we can fit this bit along the top here, because we don't want that horrible bit getting there. Right. Okay, here we go. Let me just move that up a bit. I don't want to go too far down. I want it to be a bit of a border. Right. Cool. I like that. See if we can find a better bit. This has been mangled a little bit. We don't want it to be too mangly. Right. Oops, cut you there. Some cotton cut stuck in there. And we will put that there. Right. Let's get this down here. Don't want it too close to the edge because we want our book to be able to close. Right. Some more of that. Right. And we will trim you there. Yeah. It's interesting. This hair on this side's a bit far out, but never mind. Right. So my sewing scissors, so we'll move those aside. Add random numbers. I'll be back. Right, I have some rub-ons that I want to finish up using, so I think we're going to use these, hopefully. Cool. None on there. Right, let me see what else we've got. Is that a no? I don't, yeah. It's a 1, so I'll have that. And that's all we've got. Right, random numbers. It's random numbers. I don't state how many. Right, add fabric. I'll be back. Right, I'm back, and I've cut some flowers out of fabric. So I don't have a lot of fabric, but we'll just that down like that. Now, what am I going to glue that down with? I think we would get a stick here and open up this sticky glue here. I think this is what we'll use. I don't know if it'll work. I don't have any fabric glue. Oops. Let's see what we can do. Just see if we've got enough of that down. Glue it down. Cool. Dropping this everywhere. We'll get that way, hopefully. Quite liking that actually. Let's get a little bit more. Put this around here. I'm not quite sure which way it's going to go, but I think that'll do. Right. Oh, that's quite cool actually. Make sure that it's glued down there. Right. Put the lid on that before I knock it over, which is my usual thing to do, and I'll just dry this off and then I'll be back. Right, they're all glued down and dry. It's glue everywhere, but never mind. Right, we're up to number 5. Add stars. Right. Right, I'm back and I have got some yellow paint and I have got some punchinella that is stars, so I thought I'd use that. Give this a poke, make sure that we can get the paint out. Yep, that's cool. Squeeze a bit down there. Now I've got a bit of sponge here. And yellow stars everywhere. Cool. Liking the look of that, if you can see it. Right, now, should I put another colour on with it? Or shall I just leave it? Let me think. Maybe we'll put a bit of purple down as well. Why not? Whoops. I always do that. Stick out far too much. Right. Give it a little bit around the cool. I'm actually quite happy with that. You can see the purple at least if you can't see the yellow. Right. And that was number 5. Let's see what we're going to bring out this time. Add diamonds. Oh dear, oh dear, oh dear. Right, it doesn't say what sort of diamonds, so I have got some little diamonds here, and I'm going to use those. Yeah, right. Slip that around the corner like that. And we have diamonds. That is number 6. And we're on to number 7. Add wallpaper. Oh, really? Right, I've got a piece of wallpaper here with bird on it. So I think that I am going to add the bird. Just right, I've cut my bird out. Not exceptionally great, but I've cut it out. I'll just trim this bit up here because it's irking me. And where are we going to put it? We'll just we might just take that off actually. We'll just trim our bird around a bit more. So it won't fit with that there. I'm going to put it here in the bottom. Or am I going to stick it up the top here? And I think I might stick it there actually, and then we will add our leaves a different way. I think, yep, I think that's what we will do. And I think we need the heavier glue for this because it's wallpaper, and it's called Songbird wallpaper. Just get you like that there, I think. And then this here, our little we'll put that like that just to finish our bit off. Right, now we're just going to lay this way. Right, what else? Can we use something else out of that? Right, we will just add this. And that be like that, I think. And I think we might use Mod Podge for this. I think it might be right. Just get me a little brush. Pretty sure this will glue down okay. Put some down here and just get you like that. And put you down. And another leaf here. We're just going to take it like that. Hopefully marry it all together. It looks like there's a bit of a tree there for our bird to be glued to. So he's just not floating in air. Alright, do we need anything else? Maybe a little bit more. Right, we'll just take this bit out of there and put there like that. Like that. I'll just wipe my brush so it's not too wet. And we'll just lift this up and put it down there. And add it like that. Yeah, quite like that. Right, I'm happy enough with that. Right, that's pretty dry. We're on to number 8. Use water-soluble medium. Right, I have got some is that a blue? Yes, it is. Right, I think we're just going to add some of this. Give this a push. Oh, that's not exactly rub this around. Give us a bit of a sky type look, hopefully. It'll help with the stars, bring it all together, won't it? Hopefully. I don't think we're going to bring that around there. Alright, I'll put a bit of water on that for a start. Let's see how we go. Right, what we need is a bit of plastic, I think. Let's put our a bit more on there. Right. Right. It's moving about a bit. Get our brush too wet, I think. I think that get it too wet, it just wipes it all off. It defeats the purpose. We just don't want it to look like scribble. It's rather just a bit more here, around down the bottom here. Right, we'll just get a little bit more up here. We'll put a little bit more on, I think. Just to... Of course, the next one I pull out will completely stuff it up. But this is the joy of doing pick 10s. You never know what's going to happen. Right, now should I put a darker colour in with that? Just a little bit in places, I think. Just a little bit. Now, what did I do with my brush? I'll put it down here. Right. Just give that another little rub around. Just a little bit of dark in places. Just a bit more water, I think. Getting carried away here and forgetting to talk. Right. What is that? It's a bit of glue coming up there. Just add a bit more and hopefully it'll add back in. I'm quite liking that. I like that. Right, I'll just slip those back in there. I received these in happy mail from Nina Ribena. I absolutely love them. Right, I'll give that a bit of dry off. Now we are on to number 9. Add Doily. Oh, really? Okay. Right, a bit of Doily here, and I'm going to cut it into pieces. What we're going to do, slip it around like little bits of bush or something, hopefully. Right, Mod Podge. Dry my brush again. And just put this down here in bits, hopefully, like that. Just slip it around. It looks like little bits of maybe little bits of greenery. I don't know. Right. Just have another bit here. We're just going to have the lacy bit, I think. Right. Not particularly liking it, but it is what it is, and it's doily. I'm not going to put any more on, I don't think. Little piece in here, maybe. A little bit of greenery in here. Hopefully that's what it looks like. Right, I'll dry that off. We're back and we're up to number 10. This is where we cross our hands and feet and add random words. That there is irritating me, so we're just going to go back to our colours for a minute and just give it a little bit of colour in there. It's the glue lifting up in the wet, the extra bits of glue. We're just going to brush them off a bit, put a bit more in. Yep, that's okay. Right, now random words. Right. I'm going to carry on using my my rub-ons here. That's not working. Good. See if it is going to come off. Sometimes they just don't want to work. Sunshine. Beginning. Down here somewhere. There we go. Miracle. It doesn't want to come off, that one. Keep rubbing. Oh. Right. Up here somewhere, and let me see if we can just get this natural. See if that will come up. No. I don't know if these are hard because they don't want to work, or they're too old, or right, it's natural. There we go. Anything else? And come over here and we'll go see if we can get this welcome. Yes. Right. That is our number 10, so that was not too bad. Put that there. So our wild card, I think I'm going to get my Stabilo out and do a little bit of just doodling around my bird maybe. Let's see what I can do here. Oops. Under our tree maybe, under our just see what's gonna come out here. Do some little squiggles around our bush here. Right, now what do we want? Let me see, do we have any water in this one? Yes, I do. So I find them a little bit hard to squeeze. Easier. Just right. Let's see what we've got here. See if we can go around it and just not make it look too messy, but just bring a little bit of scribble around. It's a little bit of not great. Not very good at doing this type of thing, but hey, it doesn't look too bad. It's a little bit, what is the word? Grungy, but hey, I'm okay with that. And right now, let's move that out of the way, put this back on my Stabilo, and let's see where we can write it on it without it. Right, get that out of there, and I'll just turn it around a bit so I can. And there's buttons under there, making it a little bit difficult. Right, and the date today is the, have a look, the 8th of May. I should know that, it's my sister-in-law's birthday. The 8th. Come on, right on here. The 8th. of the 5th 20. Right. Right. That's what it's looking like. A little bit mucky, but bring it up a bit so you can have a closer look. That's what we're looking like, which is not too bad. I'm not hating it. So that is this week's Pick 10, and I will put the prompts in the show more for those who want to play along. And if you'd like a set of prompts for yourself to do your own, if you email me, my email will be in the show more. I will send you a copy of what I've got, and then you can add or distract for what you want. Thank you for being with me. Kia kaha, stay strong, and I'll catch you again soon.